guys, and welcome back to the channel Capital Exotics. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to focus on the 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera. That's the 991.1 generation, which runs from 2012 to 2016. And don't forget to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to give you my Capital Exotics score out of 10 and let you know what I think about the exhaust. So enough with the talking, let's get to the video. The video. Was I the only one that heard that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that crackle? We need to rewind and we need to listen to this clip one more time. Clips are going to be some nice static up close shots of the exhaust revving between about 1,000 and 4,000 RPM. Alright guys, that's a wrap. That's the end of the video. Thanks for checking it out. I hope you really liked it. Let me know what you think. Do you think the exhaust was too soft? Do you think it was just right? Do you think maybe I need an upgrade? Comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, thanks for sticking around, and now we're going to hit up my Capital Exotics score, and I'm going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. And why is it that I give it a solid 8 out of 10? Well, it's a little understated, the exhaust. It means that when you're rolling down the street, it's not obtrusively loud. It's not a Dodge Viper. It's not a Corvette. It's not going to blow your eardrums out. It's there, it's understated, but it still says Porsche 911. It's not the loudest one in the lineup. If you got a Carrera S or you got the Porsche Sports Exhaust or a GTS or a GT3, it's definitely going to be louder, but this is, after all, a video about the 2015 Porsche 911 with the stock factory exhaust. For me personally, I think it could be a little louder. I like the burbles, I like the crackles, I like the sounds that it makes. People often say that when it does do that, you get a little bit, you get over it pretty fast, you get tired of it, but I don't know, I guess you love what you can't have. So in that case, it's still not going to be a 10 on 10, but I'll give it a solid 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching, guys, and check me out in the next video. Alright, guys, so there's the video. Thanks for checking it out. Oh, come here. Ben, you just totally messed up my scene. He just totally messed it up. Okay, go. Get out of here. All right, let's cut that.